Hey all, hope you all good. Welcome to my channel, World of Coding. So let's start with a short video. So I was facing one of the issue in which I have to add basically the row number corresponding to each row in a data set. So first, I'm gonna show how we can add this in Python. Then I will show how we can add it using in SQL. So let's begin. So I have already imported pandas library. We have this demo dataset in which we have the column customer ID, first name, last name, age, and country. Let's what we will do. We will add one column. Let's say give a name as the row number and how it will represent. Okay, it will represent basically the indexes as mentioned on the left hand side. So what we will do, um, we will use the assign function. Okay, and pass the column name. Okay, let's say we pass the column name as row number, and we will use the range function, and we can pass it as length of df. So basically what it will do, it will append a column with name, row number, with this is the, and will specify this is the 0th row, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, and this is the fourth row. If we change this to random abc, the column name changes to abc. So now let's switch over to SQL in order to see how we can achieve this. So we have the same table created here. I just copy pasted the data and saved it in demo dataset. In SQL, for in order to achieve this, we have a row number function. Okay, um, row underscore number with over. So similarly, we can achieve this using. So okay, we need to add subtract a -1, and let's say write the column as, and we will, let's say, have a alias. Okay, and give a name as row number. Okay, so here you can see the our output in Python and SQL matches. So 0 1 2 3 4, here also 0 1 2 3 4. So this row number starts the index from 1, so we have subtracted -1 from it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.